this video, I will show you how to download YouTube app on Mac. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to open your Safari, and from your Safari, go over to youtube.com. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the top left section where you see File. And when you click on File, you will see Add to Dock in here. So go ahead and click on Add to Dock. And right now you can go ahead and enter a name for your application and just keep that to YouTube. And below you will see the URL. And what this actually does is creating an app for YouTube, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So right now click on Add, and you cannot see it right now, but from my dock and also from my Launchpad, in here you will see YouTube. So when you click on YouTube right now, you will actually open not a Safari browser because you cannot change the URL in this, but you will actually open a YouTube application. So you can also manage stuff like your subscriptions from here, and then you'll be redirected to your subscriptions. And that is basically how it works. Right now you have your YouTube app downloaded on your Mac, and you can go ahead and add it to your dock. And I have it in my dock right now, but I am not recording that section. But you can also manage to open it from your Launchpad. So this is how you download YouTube app on Mac. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.